Hello students, now we are going to create the project folder. Open my computer. I am going to create the project folder in E drive. Create a new folder. School Pyqt5. This is my folder. I am going to store my files in this folder. Now I am going to open the Qt Designer. This is a shortcut to Qt Designer that we have created already. Double click this. First we have to create a main window. This is the main window and click create. We have created this main window. In this window we are going to add menus first. The menu is already attached to this main window, so we are going to create the required menus. Double click this. First menu, students. This is the main menu. In the students menu we are going to have two menus. Add new student and edit or delete student. Double click. Edit or delete student. Double click this. So we have created two menus in the students main menu. Then second one is marks menu. Double click this and type marks. Enter. We will have sub menu right now. Add. Edit or delete marks. Next we are going to have attendance menu. In the marks menu add slash. We will have a slash. Edit slash. Next one is attendance menu. Double click this. Attendance. Enter. The submenu type add, edit or delete attendance details. Enter. The next one is fees menu. Double click this, type fees. Double click this, add, edit, delete fees details. The next menu is reports menu. Enter. We have student reports. Then we have marks reports. Then we have attendance reports. Then fees reports. So we have 4 reports. Then last menu is exit. The submenu is logout. Now we have created our required menus. Thank you for watching.